Focus is an iPhone feature that lets you silence calls and notifications based on what you're doing, whether you're working, driving, or just relaxing. You can create custom focus modes, control who can reach you, and even set different lock and home screens for each activity. Here's how to set it up on an iPhone running iOS 26. To start, open Settings. Scroll down and tap Focus. Turn on Share across devices if you want Focus to sync with your other Apple devices signed into your Apple ID. You can also enable Focus Status so others know you've silenced notifications. Now, to create a new focus, return to the Focus menu, then tap the Add Plus button in the upper rightmost corner. From the menu, choose one of the suggested options or tap Custom to create your own. Let's choose Custom for this guide, so tap Custom. Give it a name, pick an icon, and color, then tap Next. Review the quick overview, then tap Customize Focus. Now tap Choose People, then select whether to allow or silence notifications from certain contacts. If you wish to allow notification from a certain contact, tap Add People, then select your preferred contact. Tap Next, then choose Calls to allow. You can set it to Everybody, Allowed People Only, Favorites, or Contacts Only. Just tap to mark your selection, then tap Done. Next, tap Choose Apps, then select which apps can send you notifications or which ones to silence. You can also add more apps if you'd like. After selecting apps to allow notifications from, tap Done. To adjust notification options, tap Options, then toggle the switch next to the feature you'd like to turn on or off while the focus is active. You can even link a specific lock screen or home screen page to your focus for fewer distractions. To customize the home screen and lock screen for your focus, navigate to the Customize Screen section, then tap Choose under the lock screen preview. Select your preferred lock screen and home screen, then tap Save. For automation, you can set a schedule to turn focus on at a certain time, when you arrive at a location, or when using specific apps. Just tap Add Schedule, then use the scheduler to set your preferred time and day. After that, turn on Smart Activation. You can also add focus filters to control app behavior, like only allowing messages from selected contacts or hiding certain email accounts. To apply focus filters, tap Add Filter under the Focus Filter section, then choose your preferred app filters. To add system filters, tap Add Filter, then customize your system settings when this focus is activated. Tap Dark Mode to set the screen to dark or light mode while the focus is active. To enable low power mode while using the focus, tap Low Power Mode, then turn the switch on. When you're ready to use focus, open the Control Center and tap Focus. Select a mode or tap the three dots to set a duration. While focus is active, silence notifications go to Notification Center, and any linked lock or home screens will appear. You can turn it off anytime from the Control Center or the lock screen icon. And that's it. With focus, you can cut distractions, stay on track, and still allow important calls and alerts through. If this guide helps you cut distractions, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iOS 26 tips and iPhone tricks you'll actually use. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.